Now in this video, we're going to look at the company setup down in settings terminology. Now in one of the overviews, I talked about terminology before. What terminology does is it allows you to change how the names of the dimensions show in Intacct. Their base name doesn't change. So department's always department, but you can change how it shows in the system. So one main example is project, or the projects module. We changed it. Well, let me come here and show you. Changed it to job with a plural of jobs. When you go to look at the module, it even changes the name on the module. So the module name is jobs. And if we go to reports, setup, you see that the dimensions are jobs instead of projects. Now, if that's confusing for you, you can always do something like this. You can type in project / job. I don't know if it'll let me do the / method or jobs, but we'll see. Whoops. What did I do there? All right. Well, that wasn't too swift of me, now was it? Project, job, tab, projects, jobs. And that way it makes a little bit more sense from what I've been saying about everything else. It does not like that little / there. So you could do underscore. Do we like underscore? No, I really don't like it. Let's do, whoops. Let's try it this way. Let's see if it'll let me do it this way. You can tell I do this a lot. I forget sometimes. There we go. Oh, come on. Now let's come here. See, now it says projects or jobs. Projects or jobs. A lot easier. Nice way of looking at it. So you do that within the terminology section here. Now, if you decide you want to change it, you can always come here and hit restore default. And it'll take it back to what it was to start with, like labor class. What is labor class in here? Labor class is just class. So you can come in here and change that. Labor shift is trade or trades. So if you hit restore default, it'll take it back to labor shift. You can do that, and it's not going to affect anything as far as data you've already input, except that it's going to change how the dimension presents. Instead of saying projects or jobs, it'll just say projects then. Or instead of saying classes, it'll say labor class. So nothing really affected if you want to get rid of it. But it's real nice if you need to see something in a particular way because that's what you're used to. One of the things I see a lot of times is someone will take department and change it to cost center or resource unit or something like that. And that's not a problem. Or locations, they'll call them offices or something like that to change those dimensions. So it has its uses. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. A lot of people don't like having projects called jobs. They just want to be project or contract or something like that. All right, so that's the fun and joy of terminology. I think it's kind of neat, though I don't use it a whole lot. For those who do, love it.